Happily shaped, oh lovely tune, notes beneath the moon. Rap plays banjo, twang twang sound, happy music all around. She played cymbals, clash and bang, shiny circles, clang clang clang. Dee plays drum, boom boom beat, tap your toes and move your feet. Diddy plays electric guitar, loud and bright, rocking music day and night. F plays flute, soft and sweet, gentle notes that sound so neat. G plays gong, a giant ring, gong echoes, hear it sing. G plays a note, tiny and cool, poses sounds that make us groove. I plays iron bells, ding ding ding, magic chimes that softly ring. J plays jazz, trumpet, tooty toot, swinging music smooth and cute. G plays keyboard, beep beep song, colorful lights all dancing along. L plays lyre, golden frame, plink plink melody in a gentle game. Liddy M plays maracas, shake shake fun, rattle rattle under the sun. And plays nylon guitar, soft and slow, strumming gently, nice and low. O play a O and mellow tone, woodwind tunes that stand alone. We plays piano, black and white, beautiful music, pure delight. Q plays kina, a flute so rare, string tunes that fill the air. R plays recorder, toot toot cheer, simple notes for all to hear. Eddie F plays saxophone, jazzy and bright, sway sway rhythm left to right. T plays triangle, ting ting light, sparkling sound, tiny and bright. Cute shining spotlight. Eddie U plays ukulele, strum along, sunny strings in a happy song. B plays violin, high and low, bow on strings, ready to go. Bag plays whistle, peep peep tune, birdie sounds on a sunny afternoon. X plays saddlehead, rainbow keys, ting ting melody in the breeze. Idiot plays yodel tune, yodelay, silly fun throughout the day. Black plays zither, peaceful and soft sweet notes, goodbye my friend. Now the band has played AZ, music, rhythm, harmony. Clap your hands and dance with glee, ABC is fun you see.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun ABC songs and nursery rhymes. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.